Whenever you are, sir.
Okay. Hotel fam, peace and blessings. Hola. Lafayette. Assalamu alaikum. What's happening? Brother Poet in the house. And today we're going to talk about some rare knowledge as we always do. So you know what time it is. It's game time. And me being Brother Poet, this is one of our first productions, I should say. And so I got to do an introduction with a poem. Lead us not into temptation and deliver us from these fools. You know the ones who make the rules and would have us be their tools. Not satisfied with kidnapping and rape, these folks had to take our pay and made us do things their way, the way of the craze. You heard of the made man? Well, we're the minds that's been made. Yeah, we've all been played. They got us addicted, afflicted, and tricked. The colonial master mix. And in this mix, God is green. Things happen you ain't ever seen. A new definition of me. And few believe in dreams. In the 60s, they cracked heads. Now today we have cracked heads. And who the hell is this in our bed? Who has gotten into their head? We must recognize the game and recognize we've all been played. We were once strong warriors. Now we just get sorry. Here, in the belly of the beast, where our way we can barely see as we survive these mean-ass streets. Where money is a tool that the few use to rule, I pray. Lead us not into temptation and deliver us from these fools who play the rules, but lack the knowledge of 12 to use that tool. So destructively the masses are used unless we learn to play too. And to do that, we must learn truth. That truth will set you mentally free from the chains that beat. The so-called veil will be lifted. The sight will be restored to the gifted. And the lies will be sifted from the real, and we all know the deal and know the time. Seeing clear for the very first time. I'm your brother's keeper, and you're mine. Symbols and signs for the conscious mind. Our families, we can't even trace. And our ancestors, we never faced. Every nation knows whence they came, and we are old to know the same. By those who bear the blame of all the horrors that were perpetrated. By all those who participated. And how dare you say we emancipated? We still haven't been compensated. How can anything be proclamated when we don't know who we are? Understand the light of truth must return to God's rule. I pray. Lead us not into temptation and deliver us from the sign of life is now of death. So now what's next? What else can we check? The Michelangelo project to paint Jesus white to enhance their psychological plight? Oh, you say don't go there. But I say thus beware. I'll expose chemical and bio